there, this is Dr. Carola Fortner, your instructor, and let me show you how to do some stuff with wikis. Okay, so this week we have this introduction wiki. I'll use that as an example. And I'll click it here, and it says, oh, your name goes here, so let's do some stuff. I will, oh, not here, I guess. I gotta click this and add my name. First I have to edit wiki page. And then I'll say Carola Fortner. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some text in there. And because I already pre-formatted it, I'm going to use my intro here. I'm going to go Control A and Control C. And then I'm going to go Control V, and voila, it is. I don't know why I was thinking that's all this so bad here. Let's see, I can, well, I'm just going to ignore all this red stuff. That's from Grammarly. I don't know if you ever use Grammarly, but it is kind of a cool program that tells you when you do something wrong, but this seems a bit over the top, so we'll just ignore that. So I just pasted in some stuff that I came from my Word program. I made the text, I put the text into like a table with just one cell, so it'd be easier to kind of insert here. And I want to add a couple things. So here is a picture of me and my son and granddaughters. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a picture. Now the way I do that is I go to this little picture icon and click it, and it'll tell me if I have like a URL or something, a picture I want to put. But I'm going to browse my computer, and I have one sign up here in my I have one ready, and the image description is family, and this is kind of small. I'll make it bigger so I can find the insert button, and you can see this is kind of big. We don't need to quite have it this big, so I can right click it and I'll size it to what I think is pretty good. Alright, and I'm gonna, so here's my picture, and let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna say submit, and we'll see what is with my page so far. Okay, so here's my text, and here's a picture. How about if I wanted to put a video in? So I'm going to go back and do edit wiki, and where do I know what my, I'm going to put my video right underneath there. What is going on? Sometimes it's hard to see these things. Oh, here we go. Here I'm going to put the video. Okay, so for videos, I'll go to Mashup, and I say I want a YouTube video. And I have actually a video that I picked out. I think this is adorable. This is the twins talking to each other. And I'm going to look at share. And what I do is I'm going to just copy their link. So this is the video I want. And going back to my wiki page, where I have this window that I opened. So if you forgot how I did this, I went here into Mashups and I clicked YouTube video. Oop, I'm going to move this into my frame. And then into the search, I'm just going to go Control V to get my YouTube video that I had picked. I'm going to go click go. And it takes a little bit. And here we have talking twin babies. And this is the one I want, so I select it. Alright, and now I get to see what size I want. Now I don't want a thumbnail, I want to embed this video, and I do want to show the URL in case somebody wants to find it. And I'll click submit, and here's my video. Now I can see I want this maybe, well, let's see what it looks like. I'm going to go submit, and here's my page. Here is my text and a picture, and here is the video that I think is really cute. So that kind of goes to show you how to put in some information into your wiki. Hope this helps. Email me if you have any questions.